everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I have bring something really exciting for you. A brand new package just arrived and it's TOZO HT2 headphones, and we are going to unbox together and see if these budget-friendly headphones are worth your money or not. So guys, we are going to unbox together. You can get 8 colors in this: purple, black, maroon, orange, sky blue, and cream color, and the pink one. So this is the unbox. So here is TOZO headphones. So when you unbox this, you will get some packing cottons, and here is the main item. Here is the product, headphones. You can see it's really soft. You will get some user manuals in this, and it's really soft. Oh my goodness. You can make it bigger. For it. These are user manuals. You can read it if you want, and the most important thing, you can download the application from Play Store and the Apple Store, and you can operate your headphones equalizer from the application, which is really impressive for me. And I saw this first time ever. I never saw this before. So guys, you get this aux cable, and you will get the charging cable for the headphones. So you can see it's a C-type charger, and it's a active noise quality function. The cushion of these headphones are really nice. It's really soft, and it's a leather padded, so it's amazing. You can see the quality of this TOZO headphones. So really impressive. So if you are looking for affordable, high quality headphones, so this might be the best option in the market right now. I'm going to use these headphones for next few days. Then I will give you more reviews about battery life, about like gaming quality and the call quality. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.